Hey everyone, welcome back to Yhgfe Tech. Today, we are taking a close look at a full-size, all-in-one digital piano package designed for learning and practice, the Yhgfe 883+X 88-key digital piano keyboard bundle. If you're looking for an affordable 88-key starter keyboard with semi-weighted keys, Bluetooth and USB-MIDI support, and a complete accessory kit out of the box, let's break down everything this bundle brings to the table. 1. 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys. The Yhgfe 883+X provides a full 88-key range, allowing beginners to practice complete classical pieces and modern arrangements without running out of octave space. Semi-weighted action offers spring resistance to simulate the feel of an acoustic piano while keeping the overall unit lightweight and portable. Touch-sensitive response dynamically adjusts volume based on key strike strength, enabling expressive dynamics and nuanced playing. 2. Versatile sound engine and creative features. Packed with built-in sounds, backing tracks, and preset melodies to support daily practice. 128 instrument voices and 128 rhythms, provides a wide array of sounds from traditional grand pianos and electric keys to strings, brass, and modern synth tones. 80 preset demo songs, included audio tracks serve as learning references for rhythm and melody practice. 3. Modern connectivity, Bluetooth and USB-MIDI. Built to integrate seamlessly with modern learning software and digital audio workstations. Wireless Bluetooth connection, easily streams audio or pairs with smart devices for wireless learning apps and play-along tracks. USB-MIDI port, connects directly to laptops, tablets, or desktop computers to control virtual instruments, music notation software, or DAW recordings. 4. Complete all-in-one accessory bundle. This package includes all necessary hardware to start playing immediately. Sustain pedal and power supply. Includes a standard sustain pedal for proper legato technique and a dedicated wall power adapter. Stand and headphones. Comes with a custom keyboard stand for ideal ergonomic height and studio-style headphones for silent practice at night. Gig bag/carrying case. A padded carrying bag enables safe storage and easy transportation to lessons or rehearsals. Feature specification. Model Yhgfe 883+X, P8. Key count and type 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, touch-sensitive. Sound engine, 128 voices, 128 rhythms, 80 demo songs. Digital connectivity, Bluetooth, USB-MIDI, headphone output, sustain input. Included hardware, key stand, sustain pedal, headphones, power supply. Portability includes fitted carrying case/gig bag. Target audience, beginner adults, students, mobile performers. Overall, the Yhgfe 883+X is a feature-packed 88-key digital piano starter set that eliminates the need to buy separate stands, pedals, or bags, making it an excellent all-in-one entry point into piano playing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, drop your beginner keyboard questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Yhgfe Tech for more instrument showcases, audio gear tests, and consumer tech reviews. Thanks for watching.